How to fix Snap camera not working. If you guys are facing a problem with your Snapchat camera, the first thing you need to do is open up your settings menu and then scroll down and find apps. Once you get here, just go ahead and search for Snapchat. You will just have to get into the app info for Snapchat. So I'm just going to search for Snapchat and it should show up right here. What I'm going to do next is go to storage and then clear cache. You could also try to clear all of your data, but what it does is it will completely log you out of your account. Your photos and snaps memories won't be lost, but you'll just be logged out. Now go back, go to battery, make sure it's on unrestricted or optimized, and then go back again and go to permissions. This is the most important step. You can go to camera permission and then turn off the permission for once. Wait for a few seconds and then open Snapchat, or you could just leave it as it is and then tap on camera permission again and then allow the permission. After doing this, it will refresh the camera permission, and if there was any problem with the software, it will fix the problem. But you could also try to open cameras of other apps like a camera app, Instagram, or any other app to see if it is a hardware problem. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.